In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your email to the inbox using Mailchimp. A big part of strong deliverability is staying closely connected to what's happening with your audience, who's joining, who's leaving, and when those changes occur. When you know this in real time, you can respond quickly, refine your content, and protect your sender reputation. So today, we'll turn on Mailchimp's subscriber notification emails. These updates help you spot trends, catch issues early, and ultimately keep your messages landing where they belong, in the inbox. Start by opening your Mailchimp account in your browser and signing in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Audience. This takes you to your contacts. If you manage more than one audience, you'll be working with whichever one is currently selected on this page. At the top of the contacts screen, find the three-dot menu, the small icon often called the kebab menu. Click it to reveal additional options, then choose Audience Settings. This opens the central control panel for how your audience behaves and how you receive updates about it. Inside Audience Settings, navigate to Email Settings. This is where Mailchimp stores the tools that will keep you informed about subscriber activity. Once you're in Email Settings, look for the section labeled Subscriber Notification Emails. This section controls both summary updates and one-by-one alerts, so you can decide how and how often you want to be notified. Click Edit to adjust these preferences. You'll see an option for a daily summary. Toggle that on. With the daily summary enabled, Mailchimp will send you a once-per-day snapshot of new subscribers, unsubscribes, and other key list activity. This single digest keeps your inbox tidy while still surfacing the most important signals. It's a great way to spot spikes after a campaign, a lead magnet launch, or a busy sales day without being overwhelmed. Next, move to the area labeled for individual emails. Here, turn on individual subscribe notifications. This sends you an email each time someone joins your list. Instant subscribe alerts are especially useful when you're running time-sensitive promotions or testing new sign-up forms. You'll immediately see if your efforts are working. They can also help you notice high-value sign-ups right away, so you can prioritize follow-up and deliver a great first impression. Then toggle on individual unsubscribe notifications. While no one loves seeing people opt out, these alerts are incredibly valuable. They help you catch patterns early. Maybe a particular subject line didn't land, or a send time didn't fit your audience's routine. When you understand why people leave, you can adjust your content, cadence, and targeting to keep engagement strong and your sender reputation healthy. Once you've enabled the settings you want, scroll down and click Save Notification Settings. Give it a moment and look for a confirmation that your changes have been saved. From now on, you'll start receiving the daily digest and the individual alerts you enabled. Here's how this helps your deliverability in practical terms. Those notifications are an early warning system. If you see an unusual wave of unsubscribes after a send, you can pause and reevaluate your next message rather than compounding the issue. If individual subscribe alerts slow down, it might be time to refresh your sign-up incentives or adjust your traffic sources. Consistently responding to these signals improves engagement, reduces complaints, and strengthens your domain's reputation with mailbox providers. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. Consider creating a dedicated email label or folder in your inbox for Mailchimp notifications so you can review them quickly without clutter. And if you ever feel like you're getting too many alerts, you can come back to the same email settings area and adjust the toggles to match your workflow. That's it. By enabling your subscriber notifications and saving those settings, you've set up a lightweight monitoring system that supports better decisions, better engagement, and better inbox placement. Now you're ready to send with confidence, backed by timely insights straight from your audience.